Hey everybody, it's Jared Snyder, and I just got done running a mile. Just wanted to put a little extra in on the day, and it went pretty well. It's kind of cold here in Michigan, but it went really well. Um, I have made this channel because I want to help influence and encourage people to get in their workouts daily and just better themselves each and every day. Like, think in their head at the end of the day, look at your day overall, and then ask yourself tomorrow, what can I do better tomorrow? Maybe it's eating better. Maybe it's getting that workout in. Maybe it's pushing yourself a little bit harder, but just bettering yourself each and every day. That is what, I'm here for. And, but anyways, I did the mile. So now, I'm back to, the Beachbody, program that I'm doing. And, it's just another day. I'm going to show you, I follow this calendar, and it's so easy to follow, with whatever program you're doing. And so you know exactly what workouts you're doing. And they have taken the guesswork out of what part of your body gets worked each day. And so you're not overwork, you're working the body part you need or area that you need to work, and you're not overworking a certain area, and it's getting the rest, and it's being able to rebuild the muscle, or just they know what they have to accomplish each day, and that you can work towards your goals. But anyways, today, let me see if I can put this on there. We were on legs yesterday, which was this one. So we can choose in between build back and buys or tempo back and buys. And if you're interested, by watching some of the video, interested in these programs, I have people sign up for them, and then I put them in a accountability and support group. And in that group right now, I think there's 643 people in there. And I just encourage them daily. I have a check-in at night asking people how their workout go, what workout did they do. I put tons of tips, advice, motivation in there. Just want to be that support that people need for their workouts daily, because I know health and fitness is hard, I know it's hard. But you want to know what? It's something that is so essential that needs to be done, to take care of your body, to just be healthy. You will love yourself and your body and your energy levels more if you just put in that work, because you're just going to feel amazing. But anyways, I am going to give you some video footage of the workouts here soon. So we'll be back with you later. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe.